Yeah, good morning everyone. Nikhil this side. I'm from Raj Learning Solution. I'm an implementer over here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see how to create a project or a workbook in a Bitrix24. So we can start. For that, we need to open the task and project module. For that, we need just click on the left hand side. You can find the task and project module. Just click on that button. Okay, and see the open the task and project module. We just open the project section. You can see the project section. Here is the dashboard of the project section. So we need to click on the green button for the creation of the project. We need to select a project. Okay, we need to add one project name. I just add Bitrix24 demo project, and here is the option for selection the icon for that project. So I will just select one icon and I select this theme. Okay, and I click on next button. So I will select a public. Okay, I'll just add one moderator in that particular project. I will add Pradnavande, Aditya Sinha, add one team member, Pawan Biwala. Successfully we created the project. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.